I build left and right side 600 Baylor, 605N, 604R, ZR5. Right after high school, I went to welding school in Ohio, and Vermeer came there, and I came here and really like it. I think it's cool to, drive it on the road or even back home West Virginia where I'm from and see a Vermeer Baylor and think I might have built that or I might have been part of that. I get to make something that actually makes a difference in other people's lives and makes you feel proud and good about yourself that you're doing something that benefits others too, and not only yourself. The environment's really great because everybody helps you out, everybody's nice, and everybody helps everybody.
Number one, he's an excellent welder. I mean, the part that's going from whatever Camry welded to the paint line, it's going to be right. He gets along well with everyone gets along with Camry. The big thing is they know Camry's going to get everything done and get it done right.
Like my managers and group leaders, they treat you with the respect you deserve and they make you feel like what you do matters. Seeing a Baylor out in the field or something, looking at what I do every day, I can see that the quality and the pride I put into it, I know that they'll get something out of it.